Hey everybody, all right. Welcome to my show. Yes, you are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, look, my table. How colorful and busy, all right. Exactly the way I like it. Your table can be colorful and busy, all right. But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, if you want a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe, right? Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, I will be right here to entertain you. All right, very good. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious recipe. All right, today I'm gonna make chicken broccoli with mushrooms. All right, very good. But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. All right, I'm gonna start with my olive oil. Right, olive oil. I have a quarter cup of olive oil. I'm gonna put my oven on, my stove on for medium high. Very good. Bingo! All right, very good, guys. All right, let's warm up this oil. All right, stay tuned. Welcome back. All right, my oil is ready. All right, very good. Now I'm ready for my next step. My next step is going to be my garlic. My garlic, I have 8 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. All right, very good. All right. So my next step is gonna be my onions. My onion, I have 1 onion. All right, you don't have to cut too small, not too big. All right, very good. All right, we'll mix it up a little bit. All right, very good. All right, my next step now, it's gonna be my chicken. Very good. My chicken, I have 1.5 pounds. Right? You don't have to cut not small, not too big. All right? Very good. Bingo! All right, very good, guys. All right, let's do this. Very good. All right, medium high. All right, let's cook this chicken for a little bit. Right? Not much longer, just a little bit, just enough for the garlic and the onions penetrate. All right, but don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. I see you very shortly. All right, very good. I'm ready for my next step. Please bring the camera together. All right, very good. It's not cooked yet. All right, I just let it stay for like 30 seconds, all right? So the onion and the garlic start to get inside of the chicken. So we get that beautiful, delicious flavor. All right, very good, guys. My next step is gonna be my salt. My salt, I have 1 teaspoon of salt. But if you guys want more, just add it, all right? Very good. The next step, it's gonna be my black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, don't use. All right, I have also 1 teaspoon. Very good. All right. All right, let's mix it up, these babies. All right. Very good. Please bring the camera together. That's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, very good, guys. All right, let's cook these babies a little bit longer. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, time to check. Very good. Ooh la la, very good. It's my chicken, it's halfway cooked. All right, so you don't want to cook well done, halfway cooked, because it's still gonna cook with the broccoli and mushrooms. So now I'm ready for my next step. My next step is gonna be my mushrooms. Very good. Bingo! All right. Very good, guys. My next step is gonna be my broccoli. All right, very good. All right, let's stir this a little bit. All right, very good. So now we're gonna let cook the broccoli, the mushrooms, and the chicken. All right, very good. All right, my next step now is gonna be my chicken stock. And my chicken broth. Very good. All right. So let's stir this a little bit. Right there. Right. So my next step now, it's gonna be my black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, don't use. My chicken stock, I have a half cup. In my chicken broth, I have half cup also. All right. And my mushrooms, I have 1 pound. And my broccoli, I have 1 pound. Very good. So now this is my black pepper. I have 1 teaspoon. Very good. This is my thyme. I have 1 teaspoon also. Very good. This is my paprika. All right, guys, to bring the flavor together. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. All right. All right, my next step is gonna be my oregano. All right, very good. Beautiful. And my hot sauce. You guys doesn't like the hot sauce, don't use. I have 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Very good. Also, you guys can see all my recipe, right? Arrow down to the right. You guys just have to click there. All my recipe will be there. Very good. All right, let's mix it up this a little bit. And put my flame medium high. Right, it smells all over my kitchen. Very good. Right? Very good. Right. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add it my soy sauce. My soy sauce, I have a 1/4 cup. But if you guys need more, yes, add it. Very good. When the colors and the flavor comes together, all right, very good, guys. All right, let's mix it up this a little bit more. All right. Very good. All right, let me cover this up. All right, so let these babies cook. Right? I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, very good. Hey guys, my time to check my chicken. Ooh la la, very good. It's cooking. All right, it's gonna take a while. All right, that's the water evaporating. All right, my chicken, my broccoli, my mushrooms is cooking. So now I'm gonna show you a traditional drink from Brazil. All right, guys, I'm from Brazil. If you guys doesn't know, all right, I'm gonna show you a very popular drink in Brazil. All right, they call cachaça. Cachaça. All right, very good. It's a very typical drink. All right, very easy to do it and delicious. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, I have 2 lemons. All right, what you do first is cut the lemon like this. That you cut again, okay, like this. Right? We need the whole lemon. Right? Very good. Right. All right, let me see if it's gonna fit the whole thing here. Yeah, it will. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna need something like this, or you can do that with any container, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze very well. All right, very good. All right, looks good. Okay, after that, you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of sugar. All right, if you guys need more, just add it. All right, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon. Mix it up again. All right, very good. Oops. All right, very good. All right, after that, you guys gonna need a container like this. Very good. All right, so I'm gonna pour everything there. All right, very good. All right. All right, after that, you're gonna need ice. That's it. Not too much ice, right? We put ice, but not all way up. Right? Now, this is called cachaça. All right, from Brazil. All right, you guys. If you guys cannot find cachaça, you guys can use vodka. All right, that works. All right. So put just a half. Half. It will be enough for 1 drink. All right. The way I say, if you need more sugar, you just add it. So now you're gonna shake very well, right? So we come up very nice and cold like this. Ah, yes, that's great. Ooh, I love that. All right, guys, shake. My hands is hurting. That's when it's gonna taste delicious. It's gonna be nice and cold. All right, very good. This is my glass. You're gonna need some glass like this. All right, this is typical for caipirinha. Perfect. All right, but don't forget to shake very good. My hand is hurting. All right, that's good. All right, caipirinha is ready. So don't forget to remove the top, right? Because you want to pour everything, right? Very good. All right, this is typical Brazilian drink, cachaça. Cheers. I will be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. Would you like to cook with me? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, let's check my chicken. Very good, la la. All right, now it's all over my kitchen. Very good. Now my broccoli and mushrooms, everything it's getting soft. All right, so now I'm not gonna cover anymore. All right, because you want evaporate the water. All right, so let's cook this baby for a little bit longer. All right, and I'll be right back in medium high. Hey guys, time to check. All right, please bring the camera together. All right, very good. This start to dry. All right, you want dry. All right, you guys gonna see in the end. All right, it's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I almost forgot. Ooh la la, that looks beautiful. All right, sheesh, it's almost ready. I'm gonna let this baby cook for 5 more minutes and I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right, very good. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the final product. All right, please bring the camera together. All right, it's very easy to do it. All right, anybody can do it. All right, very good. All right, beautiful. Hey guys, you have to try this recipe. All right, I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys. I forgot to put my lemon right there. All right. Cheers.